Yesterday we were doing with endogenetic force, and endogenetic force is originated due to the convectional current of magma, and thereafter we have seen like due to that there is somewhere divergence, somewhere convergence, and divergence and convergence. Divergence led to tensional force and convergence led to compressional force. And yesterday we started with the tensional force. In the tensional force, hanging wall moved down. First there is a fracture, then followed by crack, and hanging wall moved down, and rest of the region is uplifted. Relatively, foot wall moved upward. Upward portion is known as block mountain, and the downward block mountain or horst, and the downward portion is known as, I said that, Rift Valley or Graben. And thereafter we have seen around 100 million years there is a formation of Western Ghat, Indian Gondwana plate, and on the other side is Madagascar. Western Ghat through the isostatic balance, and it is also known as Block Mountain. On the other side we have seen like say the Ankratra mountain in Madagascar, and we have seen thereafter the western coast. And what is the quality of the western coast? I said that it is in a fault coast, submergent coast, and rear type of coast, reverse. And thereafter we have seen this is in a supporting natural coast. Then we understand that Konkan coast, that is near Maharashtra, Kannada coast near Karnataka, they are submergent coast, but Malabar coast is an emergent coast, and there are several waterfalls, and along with this there is lagoons and backwaters. Understood? Then thereafter we have seen eastern coast is an emergent type of coast, shallow and deltaic formation. Western coast doesn't have delta formation. And here it is deltaic and shallow coast does not support, I said that, natural ports, hardly it supports. And then I said that western coast has a natural ports. Thereafter I have given an idea about hotspot. And then in a hotspot in the interior, it is in a more radioactive material, means continuous source of supply of heat. And then rock which has been molten and which become the continuous source of supply of basaltic magma, that become mantle plume. That is becoming. And thereafter we have seen, like I said, that there is a reunion hotspot. With the help of that we have understood when the Indian Gondwana plate is moving the fourth period of volcanic eruption and Deccan Plateau and Deccan Trap. And these are the regions which are covering, like I said, that Kathiawar, Malwa, Telangana, Northern Karnataka, and whole Maharashtra. And they must have, what is in which soil? Lava hai, basaltic lava hai, to kaisa soil hoga? Black soil. And black soil supports cotton production. धीरे धीरे आप इसको समझेंगे how and why it is supporting cotton production. Thereafter we have seen Deccan Trap, Deccan Plateau, and then we have seen the formation of Lakshadweep island, and it is in a coral island, and here we have finished with this. Understood? Isostatic balance. कोई बात नहीं. वेस्टर्न कोस्ट अपलिफ्ट हुआ, और कल मैंने आपको समझाया था, इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट इफ इट हैज गॉन डाउन, तो ये जो टूट कर नीचे आया है पहले कहां पे था? यहां पे था, तो ये इसके ऊपर वेट पुट कर रहा था. कल समझाया था दैट लाइन आई हैव ड्रॉन, एंड व्हेन इट हैज मूव्ड अवे एंड देन कम दिस साइड, तो ये पोर्शन यहां से वेट रिड्यूस हो गया, एंड इट हैज बीन आइसोस्टैटिकली अपलिफ्टेड. अंडरस्टूड इट? नेक्स्ट वन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी, यस, वो जब प्लेट टेक्टोनिक करेंगे तो लिखवाया था क्या मैं? वो प्लेट टेक्टोनिक में पढ़ेंगे। टेक्टोनिक का मतलब होता है कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन ड्यू टू द प्लेट मूवमेंट। लेकिन जब आप वहां पे करेंगे तो जो चीज जहां पे हो उसको वहां समझेंगे, देन यू विल बी बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। Now the next that we have seen, we have to see compressional force. Which force we have to see? Compressional force. So we have seen there is an endogenetic force, and in this endogenetic force, which force is there? Tensional. And the tensional force we have seen, like I said, fracture it causes crack, and further crack movement takes place along the crack, that becomes fault. And this is which type of fault? Normal fault. Words आने चाहिए through your mouth. भगवान ने, the God has given mouth along with the tongue. Yeah? So which fault? This can be in a question. What is normal fault? वहाँ बच्चे में सोचेंगे which kind. So and you can explain. Yes, there is I said that foot wall, hanging wall gone down. Correct? ये जो definition आप सीख रहे हैं ना, normal fault का, simply I said that tensional force led to the fracture, crack, followed by, and thereafter I said that the hanging wall, which is started moving downward relatively, foot wall is moving upward, and upward portion, which is known as, I said that, what it is known as? Horst mountain or block mountain, and the downward is known as the rift valley or grand valley. इतनी सी चीज ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल वाले भी अच्छे से नहीं समझते हैं। हाँ? मैग्मा तो उतना ज्यादा नहीं होता है ना। आप सोचो कोई भी चीज नीचे क्यों जाएगा? व्हाई द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, व्हाई इट विल ब्रेक। इफ इट हैज, आई सेड दैट, ये यहां से ब्रेक हुआ, व्हाई इट हैज बीन ब्रोकन, पहला तो ये वीक होगा यहां से, एंड हु विल मेक इट वीक? ये कंपैरेटिवली हैवी होगा। यदि ये टूट रहा है टेंशनल फोर्स, तो ये कंपैरेटिवली क्या होगा? हैवी भी होगा। एग्जैक्टली सभी जगह सेम तो नहीं रहेंगे, एंड व्हेन इट इज गोइंग डाउनवर्ड, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल गो डाउन। अंडरस्टूड इट? एंड नाउ इट हैज बीन बैलेंस्ड। वो उतने ही नीचे तक जाएगा जहां तक, अब मैं आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल जानते होंगे, बस next, thereafter I said that there is a compressional force and this compressional force, I said these are, I said one it is fault and another I said fold. In the compressional force, one is fault, another I said that fold. And then first what will happen is, tell me, fracture, then there will be crack, and then there will be what I said that fault. This is a rock. I said that compressional force is taking place. From which section it will break? Weaker section it will what? Fracture will develop. And this fracture will develop into a kind of what I said that crack. Over the period more force. Now tell me, who will go up and who will go down according to this structure? Right? Right को नाम क्या है? What is the name of the right? ये फुट वॉल है, इस पे आप फुट रख सकते हो ऐसे। फुट वॉल तो ये, दिस इज फुट वॉल। यहां से तो आप कुछ हैंग कर सकते हो। यस और नो? द स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस, आई सेड दैट, कल मैंने बताया था, structure like this is in a what? hanging wall. So this is in a which wall? So it is what? Hanging wall. Getting it? So who will move up? Hanging wall. And in the last normal fault में हम लोग क्या देख रहे थे? Who is going downward? Hanging wall. And इसमें hanging wall is moving upward. So what will happen? It will be like this, and then it will move upward. The hanging wall is moving upward relatively. Relatively, foot wall is moving downward. And it is opposite to the normal fault, reverse to the normal fault. It is known as reverse fault. It is known as what? It is known as what? Reverse fault. Is it okay? Got it? Now, if I say that when the force is more applied, यदि ये फोर्स ज्यादा अप्लाइड होता तो ये कैसा होता? If the force is more applied, then he will be like this. More applied means he will be like what? More riding like this. He is to cross the jacket. Yes or not? This is known as what? Thrust fault. This is known as thrust fault. If the force is more than reverse fault, then this is known as, I said that, it will form thrust fault. If the compressional force is more than reverse fault, so it is known as, yes, thrust fault. यहाँ पे आप सीधे देख रहे हैं और यहाँ पे आप क्या देख रहे हैं? Like this. If the force is even more, then this one will what? Override on it. It will what? Hanging wall will start it. It will start if the force is more, then it will start at what? This hanging wall is started moving above the foot wall, and that is known as over thrust fault. Understood? It is known as, and these two faults or reverse and thrust fault causes tsunami. It causes tsunami. And in 2004, tsunami was due to thrust fault. Clear? So what is the reverse fault? Write down. Under compressional force, over the plate, over or along the plate, first create fracture along the weaker zone. First create fracture along the weaker zone. Further, with continuation of such force, fracture develop into, with continuation of such force, fracture develop into crack. Fracture develop into crack. If the force continued along the crack, if the force continued, comma, then along the crack, hanging wall start moving upward, hanging wall start moving upward, and foot wall किधर जाएगा? Yes, downward. It will be relatively or it will move downward? Yes, it will move downward relatively. It will move downward relatively. And it is known as reverse fault. And it is known as if the force applied during compression is more than reverse fault, then it is known as thrust fault. Then it is known as, yes, tell me which fault? Thrust fault. Is it clear? Then it is known as thrust fault. Further, if the force applied during compression, if force applied during compression is more than reverse and thrust fault, then hanging wall starts riding over foot wall, and it is known as over thrust fault. Change the para. Reverse fault and thrust fault. Reverse fault and thrust fault along the ocean floor. ध्यान रखेंगे, along the ocean floor help in formation of yes, tell me what? Tsunami. Help in formation of tsunami. TSUNAMI. In 2004 near Indonesia, tsunami occurred, and that is due to thrust fault. That is due to thrust fault. Clear? Thrust fault की वजह से क्या हुआ था? सुनामी हुआ था in 2004. I said, suppose this is an ocean floor. this is an ocean floor, and in the ocean floor, this portion as a hanging wall moved downward, and this portion which has been what? Uplifted upward. Foot wall moved downward and a hanging wall moved upward. So it will, this is a reverse or maybe a thrust. And when it will move upward, it will, और ये कितना पानी? Trillion tons of water. So it will push this water. And then this water, if it has been pushed, every water has been what? Above it has been uplifted. And when it has been uplifted, finally this water will uplift. And when this water will uplift, it will be, ये पानी यहाँ से fill किया जाएगा. This uplifted water will be filled by this reason. क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या पानी यहाँ गया, तो this will be filled by this, and it will be filled by this. फिर ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will start a formation of wave. और ये क्या बन गया? फिर ये पानी ऊपर जाएगा again, and this wave will come this side. This wave will come this side. Again, this water will get uplifted. क्योंकि नीचे से layer of water is uplifting. Yes or not? And this wave will start coming towards the water. तो ये एक wave आएगा या series of wave will come. और ये किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? Reverse fault and thrust fault. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Earthquake. And earthquake को बोलते हैं seismic wave. And then it started coming. And then जैसे ही इसे shallow coast मिलता है, when it is getting shallow coast, this wave used to break. And then it started coming up, amplitude started increasing. तो कई चीजें मैं बताऊंगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी कन्वर्टिंग इनटू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, और इसकी स्पीड होती है 700 to 800 किलोमीटर पर आवर. बस इतना मैं समझा सकता हूँ. It is also known as jet wave क्योंकि its speed is faster than jet plane. Understood? And this is a devastating. So everywhere this wave moves. समझ में आ गया? Because it is originating और इसके चारों तरफ wave originate होता है. Getting? तो फिर इतना ही अभी समझा सकता हूँ. And और यदि over thrust होता तो over thrust ऐसे होता और ये पानी को uplift नहीं करता. समझ में आ रहा है? So therefore, which causes tsunami? Reverse and thrust. Understood it? Therefore, these two types of fault under compressional force causes. आपकी जब टॉपिक होगी सुनामी तो वहां पे बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स आएंगे. चलिए. Is it okay? So, you come this way. It is his hand, and what is happening? And it is my hand, and यहाँ पर अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, ocean floor is made up of what? Basalt or granite? बताया था, magma is coming and solidifying, basaltic magma, basalt. और basalt किस चीज का बना हुआ है? Iron. That is a denser. And continental plate is made up of granite. किसका बना हुआ? Granite. And if it is made up of granite, तो granite is silica. Silica is more than continental plate will be lighter, and then oceanic plate will be denser. ये समझ में आ रहा है? And then I said that यदि दो continental, if I am talking about two continental plates, नीचे क्या है? Astronosphere. कल बताया था, it is floating over it. When the two plates of continental plate coming towards each other, then converge, and during the convergence, what will happen? The two continental, they will collide. But one plate is continent and another is an ocean, then who will be heavier? Ocean is made up of iron and magnesium, so it will be down. And during the convergence, it will subduct down. Collide नहीं करेगा, it will. So I said that यहाँ पे क्या मैं दिखा रहा हूँ? Convergence. And यहाँ पर मैं दिखा रहा हूँ divergence. Due to, ध्यान से देखना, these are the two different plates. It is also plate. सो ड्यू टू कन्वर्जेंस एंड डाइवर्जेंस, आपको दिख रहा है इन दोनों प्लेट के बीच में क्या हो रहा है? टू प्लेट्स आर स्लिपिंग ईच अदर, yes or not? Yes or not? And this fault is known as strike slip fault. So due to convergence and divergence between the plates, you can also see what? So it is in a diverging. So between these two plates, what is happening? Transform boundary, or better to say strike slip fault. What it is known as? Now, sit down. Thank you. Suppose this is in a mountain or this is a rock. This is in a mountain or rock. And this vertical line is known as DIP, deep, and this horizontal line is known as strike. क्या कहते हैं? And if you are watching Himalaya, then this is known as strike, and if you are watching upward, this is known as D. So this is what? D. This is known as. So when the two plates are slipping along this, तो slipping along strike or slipping along D. So strike slip और crack के सामने मूव करने लग जाए तो क्या होगा? Fault. So this is known as what? समझ में आ गई? Yes. और reverse fault, normal fault, reverse fault, thrust fault, over thrust fault. ये कैसे fault है? Moving along the dips. This is normal fault, hanging wall is going down. When the hanging wall is moving, reverse, thrust, over thrust. So they are moving along the deep. So all these are known as, yes, tell me, deep, sleep, understood? Understood? Clear? Next point लिखेंगे, strike slip fault. What is strike slip fault? Due to कैसे बनेगा? Due to convergence and divergence. Yes or not? Under convergence and divergence, under convergence and divergence, when the two plates slip past each other, when two plates slip past each other, it is known as strike slip fault. It is known as. Now my question is, this fault will cause tsunami or not? Very simple question I have asked. UPSC can ask which of the following in the PT like this, which of the following faults will not cause tsunami? Normal fault, first, second, reverse fault, third, thrust fault, fourth, strike slip fault. तो आप बोलोगे which of the option? 1 and 4 is correct. Normal fault में भी नीचे जाता पानी को uplift नहीं करेगा, and strike slip fault is also not uplifting the water. Yes or not? So the normal fault and strike slip fault does not uplift the water. It will not cause tsunami. Getting my point? So I said that, समझ में आ गया? So strike slip fault will not cause tsunami formation, will not cause tsunami. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? Next one, ध्यान से देखेंगे. I said that आपको क्या लगता है ये पोर्शन is completely fitting here? this portion of South America is fitting here. कल आप लोगों को कुछ बताया था मैंने, perhaps you remember, convectional current of magma. And after certain period of time, what happened? This plate come over here, and one plate one continental plate came over here due to rotational force, and in this one there is an ice age. Every time in the gap magma is coming, याद है आपको? एंड यहां से मैग्मा, हमेशा मैग्मा कहां से होता है? मिडिल पॉट से ये हमें यहां रहेगा, एंड अगेन इट विल मूव अवे. यस, ये क्या बन गया? बेसाल्टिक फ्लो, ओशियानिक फ्लो, एंड दिस इज एन व्हाट? ओशियानिक वाटर. सो कैन यू से दैट अर्लियर दे वेर हियर टुगेदर? उसके बाद अफ्रीका स्टार्टेड मूविंग हियर एंड देन साउथ अमेरिका slowly here. Yes or not? And in the middle portion, आपको कल बताया था, the middle portion is what? Due to what? Hotness, it is uplifted. And it will be uplifted from here to here. So earlier North America, Eurasia and Europe Africa were together like this. And the South America and Africa were together like this, and they started what? Diverging, and new ocean flow, Atlantic Ocean has been formed. Is it okay? Yes or no? And yesterday I have said that due to two divergences, one convergence is taking place. Suppose I said that, this is clear. थोड़ा सा इस फिगर को मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ. Suppose this South America किधर मूव कर रहा है? Westward. And Africa is moving eastward. North America is moving. Is it clear? और बीच में क्या है? Mid oceanic race. This mountain range. In the middle section, who is creating? In the main question can come discuss the formation of Atlantic Ocean. ये आपको मैं प्लेट टेक्टोनिक में समझाऊंगा, और टू सम एक्सटेंट यू हैव ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड द प्लेट टेक्टोनिक. आपने पूछा सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टेक्टोनिज्म ना? टेक्टोनिज्म का मैंने क्या मैंने बोला? मीनिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन. यहां पे क्या हो रहा था? न्यू फ्लोर इज फॉर्मिंग, कंस्ट्रक्शन. मैं यहां पर भी एक न्यू फ्लोर बनाते हुए दिखा रहा हूं. यहां पर भी इफ आई एम शोइंग दैट द न्यू फ्लोर इज फॉर्मिंग, यहां पर भी गैप हो रहा है, लेकिन ये ओशियन फ्लोर है, और ये ओशियन फ्लोर, पहले ये ओशियन फ्लोर ऐसे है सपोज करो, और ये ओशियन फ्लोर, ये दोनों उधर जाने लगे. इज इट ओके? लेकिन जब अगली बार कन्वेक्शनल करंट ऑफ मैग्मा हुआ तो दिस प्लेट विल मूव डाउनवर्ड सबडक्ट बिलो. यस और नॉट? यस और नॉट? क्योंकि ओशियन फ्लोर इज डेंसर देन कॉन्टिनेंटल फ्लोर. तो यहां पर क्या देख रहे हैं आप? ओशियन फ्लोर इज डिस्ट्रॉइंग विद इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, नीचे वाले में डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है ना. सो वन साइड कंस्ट्रक्शन, देन अदर साइड इज, इसी को प्लेट टेक्टोनिज्म कहा जाता है. तो जस्ट आई हैव गिवन एन आइडिया. तो ये समझ में आ गया. इसका मतलब व्हेन द दिस साउथ अमेरिका प्लेट इज मूविंग दिस साइड, तो यहां पर भी एक क्या है? मिड ओशियानिक रीज है, जिसमें दिस प्लेट इज नॉन एज Nazca, and this is the part of Pacific, and this Pacific is moving this side. So equal amount they are moving this side. Always new ocean floor is also forming here. It is going away. So here it is what is happening? Due to divergence, here it is the convergence. Yes or not? Two divergence lead to one. तो यहां पर who is denser? Nazca और South American plate? Nazca plate. Who will subduct? Nazca plate. Now, if I say that this is a South American plate, and this one is, I say, Nazca plate which is moving this side, this is South American plate, किधर move कर रहा है? It is westward. And here I am showing you another. It is in a top view. Ocean plate is subducting, and who is this? Continental plate. हमेशा ध्यान रखें continental plate मोटा होता है, later on you understand. But density is less. Density क्या होती है? Low. Iron is more denser या floor आटा more denser है? Who is more denser? तो एक किसी पानी में मैं if I put iron and this floor, तो कौन नीचे जाएगा? Thickness doesn't determine that it is heavy. So it is more thicker, it doesn't mean that it is denser. Yes or not? Who is denser? Ocean plate. Who is denser? And it is going downward. और ये क्या है? Ocean. ध्यान से. It is going downward. So when it is going downward, then it will put in a scratch mark. It will scratch it or not? When it will go down, then there will be scratch. Yes or not? This scratch will start depositing in this region. This scratch, and ये कैसा होगा? Sediment, टूटा हुआ particles, and that is known as accretionary wedge sediment. Which sediment? Which sediment? Accretionary wedge sediment. And now listen here. Now you know that Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri कहाँ गिर रहे हैं? Where they are falling? Finally moving into the sea. And when they are coming into the sea, they are depositing the sediments. Yes or no? And here it started, the rivers are coming also. The river will deposit their sediment. Understood? And now it will move and it will compress this sediment. Yes or not? इसको geosyncline बोला जाता है. And this geosyncline and deposited sediment will under compressional force. Sedimentary rock है ना, and sedimentary rock कैसे बना? By the deposition of sediments, and it become a sedimentary rock. So it will be soft rock or hard rock? Soft rock. और लावा से बना हुआ रॉक क्या होता है? हार्ड. उसको कंप्रेशन करोगे टूट जाएगा. And if you compress the sedimentary rock, it will what? Give me your register. Deposition of sediments. Here the sediment has been deposited and compressional force will act. Then what will happen? ये यहाँ पर fold होकर यहाँ आ जाएगा. Yes or not? It will. And it will form in a fold mountain. It will buckle into fold mountain. Getting my point? So this way, we can say that this deposited material will come here and it will form in a fold mountain. And this way, because of the compressional force, we have been able to get to which mountain range? Which mountain range? And this in the South America, समझ में आ गया कैसे बना? Compressional force, convergence, लेकिन ये आपको डिटेल में पढ़ाया जाएगा when you will study the plate tectonic. So this is in a fold mountain, and who is creating fold mountain? Compressional force. So we are going to start the compressional force. में हमने क्या दिखाया था? What are the two things I have shown you? Shall I remove? आसान है. Everything is very easy. Don't you feel that it is easy? Everything is easy. It is depend upon the way that you have been taught, the way that you are grabbing. Everything. कभी भी लाइफ में किसी चीज को हार्ड नहीं समझना. If it is hard, so from the giver side, sender side या receiver side कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. और जनरली आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हो रिसीव करने के लिए. प्रॉब्लम मस्ट बी टुवर्ड्स विच साइड? सेंडर साइड, गिवर साइड. इसीलिए जो चीज नहीं समझ में आता है तो मस्ट बी द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गिवर. आई सेड, अभी मैंने क्या बोला? जस्ट टेल मी विच आर द फोर्स? एंडो. इसकी वजह से वी हैव सीन विच फोर्स? टेंशनल फोर्स. एंड अनदर वी हैव compressional force, and compressional force is in the form of fault, and in the fault we have seen fracture, crack, and then we have seen fault. And which are the fault? Reverse fault, thrust fault, over thrust fault. Another it is what? Fault. Under the compressional force what will happen? Fault will take place. And let us see which kind of fold can take place. When it is in a folding like this, then upward section is known as anticline, and the lower position is known as syncline. So which is the first fold? Tell me. Anticlinorium. Sorry, anticlinal fold. Anticlinal fold. Synclinal fold. Which fold we have seen? Anticlinal and which fold? Synclinal. ये तो सभी जगह आपको नजर आएगा. One it is anticline, one it is what? Syncline. मैं अभी थोड़ा हिमालयस का भी एग्जांपल दूंगा. अभी आपने हिमालयन फॉर्मेशन you have not learned, but you will learn Himalayan formation during plate tectonic. Understood it? I said, suppose करो, this is in a soft rock, and the soft rock क्या हो गया? It fold like this. Yes or no? Soft rock fold like this. But if the rock is more soft, ऐसा होगा. Anticline में ही छोटे छोटे anticline, syncline. In the anticlinal position there is a smaller anticlinal and synclinal, and in the synclinal position there is a smaller anticline and syncline. If the deposited sediment is more softer, then it is known as, yes, upward portion is known as anticlinorium, and the lower syncline is known as synclinorium. So which are the four we have seen? Anticlinorium fold. Another I said synclinorium fold. India में, this is okay. In India, so anticlinal fold कैसा होगा? This one. Synclinal fold down one, and anticlinorium will be like this, and synclinorium will be like this. Understood? Clear? So which are the four fold? We have to see 8 more fold. 12 folds are there. I said that anticlinal, synclinal, anticlinorium, synclinorium. What is the difference between anticlinal and anticlinorium? Anticlinal is an upward fold, yes? But if anticlinal fold is an upward but having deposition of sediment more softer, it will be what? ये मैं नोट नहीं कराऊंगा, ध्यान रखिएगा, आप समझ जाए. If the anticlinal will have a what? Softer sediment, then it will in the anticlinine. Anticline में क्या होगा? There will be several small anticline and syncline, and in the syncline there will be small anticline and syncline. That is known as synclinorium. Understood? In India, you know that this is in a Greater Himalaya, this is Middle Himalaya, and this is in a Sivalik. Anyone has gone on to the Sivalik? कोई लोग Sivalik पे गए? Yes? नहीं? Dehradun? I said that if I am saying Sivalik is comparatively softer, Sivalik is comparatively, और यहां पर आप जाओगे फिर सीधा बस से कहीं कहीं ऐसे ऐसे आपको नजर आएगा. What do you see? In the Sivalik range, there are the three Himalayas, Greater, Middle and Sivalik. इसकी हाइट, एवरेज हाइट इज 6000 प्लस. बता देता हूँ इसकी एवरेज हाइट इज 3900 to 4500 and width height is 900 to 1500. Average height. I said that क्योंकि बार बार सुनते सुनते याद हो जाएगा. What is the average height of? Hello. इसको चेंज. What is the average height of Greater Himalaya? And what is the average height of Middle Himalayas? 3900 to 4500. And what is the average height of Sivalik range? 900 to 1500. Have you seen the Dharamsala cricket ground in the TV? That is on the Middle Himalayas. And वहां से बोलते हैं लोग, कभी सुना होगा धौलाधर रेंज. In the cameraman used to show you Dhauladhar range, and then Middle Himalaya is in a Dhauladhar. Just कभी पढ़ो तो पिक्चर देख के कई चीजें मैं दिखाऊंगा, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर केवल देखा आपने. So which are the four folds? Just tell me first. Anticline, syncline, anticlinorium, synclinorium. Understood it? Next one that we are going to see, like, do you know what is the meaning of symmetricity? Symmetricity. I said that this A letter is symmetric or not? It is symmetric. If you divide it from the half, it look like same on the either side. Symmetricity यही होता है ना, you have to maintaining both the sides same. बोला जाता है ना, आपको symmetricity बिठानी होगी पूरा अच्छे से. So I said that it is in both the sides same. यदि if it is in a mirror, तो इधर से same ऐसा दिखेगा. So now tell me which fold is this? कुछ क्लासेस में मुझे ये काम करना पड़ता है, और एक क्लास आता है आपका टेम्परेट साइक्लोन, उसमें तो बहुत करना पड़ता है. I said that which fold is this? Which fold? Symmetric fold? वो तो पहले देख चुके हो. अब ये कौन सा फोल्ड होगा? Both are making some equal kind of it. और थोड़ा सा फोर्स ज्यादा लग गया तो क्या हो गया? Symmetricity has been broken, has been changed. So it become asymmetric fold. Is it clear? Which fold we have seen? Symmetric, asymmetric. Understood? Thereafter I said symmetric, asymmetric. More force you applied, it become overturned. Yes or no? Which are the fold? Yes, tell me. Symmetric, asymmetric, overturn. Is it clear? एंगल को क्या बोला जाता है? इंक्लिनेशन. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट? सिमेट्रिक, असिमेट्रिक, overturned. Now if you see that this limb of the mountain is also having same angle and this limb is also same, parallel to each other, same incline. Can I say isoclinal? Clean means angle, iso means same, isoclinal fold. So which are the four fold? Yes, tell me. Symmetric, asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal. It means both the limbs of the mountains are parallel to each other, and when more force applied, then it becomes what? They are parallel to each other, but they become parallel to the ground also, and that is known as a recumbent. C-U-M-B-E-N-T, recumbent. So which are the four we have seen? Tell me first. Symmetric, asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal, and recumbent. Understood? And it is a recumbent. If the more force applied, this upper limb will break away. Upper limb will, and that is known as the nape. N-A-P-P-E, nape. So which are the six fold? Yes, tell me first. Symmetric, asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal, recumbent, nape. Understood? So the first one, next fold we are talking about symmetric fold. In the symmetric fold आप क्या देख रहे हैं? Yes, tell me. This is θ1 और ये आपको पता है this is θ2. Suppose करो. This angle must be added with this θ2. They will be what? 180 degrees supplementary. This is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. One is acute and another is what? Obtuse. So can I say that θ1 plus θ2 equals to 180 degree, and if it is θ3, θ1 equals to θ3. This angle must be equal to this angle. ये 40 होगा तो ये भी 40 होगा, and this will be 140. 40 plus 140 must be 180. Yes or no? So can I say that these two limbs, ऐसे आप लिख देना, these two limbs are making what? Equal angle interior, but one interior acute, another angle exterior obtuse will be supplementary. Supplementary जानते हैं? Sum of two angle is 180. Complementary means sum of two angle 90. So it is what? This is which? What is this we have seen? Tell me. Symmetric fold. Another which fold? Asymmetric fold. इसमें क्या होगा? θ1 एंड θ2 180 बनाएंगे? नहीं बनाएंगे, क्योंकि ये 150 होगा तो ये 40 होगा. इट विल बिकम 190. Different. So I said that θ1 plus θ2 will not make supplementary. होगा supplementary? No. But θ1 and this is θ3. This will not be also equal. Yes or not? आपके लैंग्वेज में समझा रहा हूं, मैथ्स नहीं समझा रहा हूं मैं. Just I am saying that what is this and how you can be able to get more marks in the examination if it has been asked. Examiner want to see you या book. अच्छा ये this examination how it is different from the graduation and post graduation. वहाँ पे भी तो आप subjective लिखते हो और यहाँ पे भी subjective. Is it the same thing or it is different? He want to see you. Who are you? How can you make the things what easy? How you can imagine by yourself. ध्यान में रखना, वर्ड याद करते रहो. लाइफ में कोई भी टर्म्स मिले एंड आप अंडरस्टैंड कैसे कर सकते हो? उसको इमेजिन करो. And when you will imagine it, it will sustain for a year, 2 years, and you can utilize it in any answer. And until unless you are not imagining, after certain period it will be out. समझ में आ गया? This is good. Imagine जरूर करना है. Think. और जो पढ़ाया जा रहा है more than enough. I am saying that so that whatever you understand, do it again. Imagination आ जाता है. 2 8 16. बार करते करते इमेजिनेशन आया है ना. या उसको समझते थे? बचपन में समझ कर याद किया या रट कर याद किया? By roting that we have done. Yes or not? So few things when you do it again, this is. So roting is again, I said that, very much important. Next one, which fold? Symmetric, asymmetric, overturn. Understood? ये कैसे आपको याद हो गया? 2-4 बार मैंने कराया था तब ना. So which fold I said that? Overturned fold. And in the overturned fold, what we will see? This is θ1 and this is θ2. इसमें θ1 and θ2 both are what? Acute. Both are acute. Both are. पहले क्या था? θ1 and θ2 are, one it is acute, another is on obtuse. यहाँ पे भी θ1 and θ2 will not be. I said that. And then θ3 कोई भी इक्वल नहीं होगा. Understood? Got it? So which are the fold I said that? Tell me. Symmetric, asymmetric, and overturned. After that overturned, which fold will come? Isoclinal fold. In this one, perhaps you understand that θ1 is equals to θ2 parallel to each other. Isoclinal. θ1 must be equal to θ2. तभी तो बोलेंगे equally inclined, parallel to each other. Both the limbs are. θ1 is equals to θ2. Both limbs are parallel to each other. Both limbs are after isoclinal. Which fold? Recumbent. Which one? Recumbent fold. In this one, what we will see that this is an isoclinal, and after that this become, yes, this is isoclinal, but this is parallel to each other and it is also parallel to the ground. So I say that recumbent fold. And in the recumbent fold, they are parallel to each other and they are parallel to the ground. Yes or not? Limbs are parallel to each other and parallel to the ground as well. Parallel to the ground as well. Understood? Shall I remove this? इसी में समझाता हूँ. Another I said that nappe. Which fold? Nappe. And in case of nappe, upper limb will break. Suppose it has been broken from this side and it has been slipped away. It has been what? slipped away, and this is known as what? Nappe. Upper limb of recumbent fold broken and slipped few kilometers. थोड़ा सा नहीं होता है, 4-5 kilometers ahead. So I said, so upper limb of recumbent fold after have high force, after better to say large force, break and move ahead few kilometers. Clear? मिडिल हिमालयस याद रखेंगे. असिमेट्रिक फोल्ड, ओवरटर्न, बीच वाला सेक्शन. बीच वाले सेक्शन में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा? असिमेट्रिक फोल्ड, ओवरटर्न फोल्ड, आइसोक्लिनल, recumbent and nappe. Large number of nappes in the middle Himalayas. Large number. So write down. In middle Himalayas, asymmetric fold, comma. Yes, tell me which one. Asymmetric fold, overturn fold, isoclinal fold, overturn fold, isoclinal fold, recumbent fold, and nappe kind of fold found. Which fold? Nappe kind of fold. Understood? Clear? ये कैसे किस रॉक से बना हुआ है? टेल मी. सेडिमेंट्री. ये सेडिमेंट्री, मच मोर सेडिमेंट, सॉफ्टर सेडिमेंट है. लेकिन जब मैं मिडिल हिमालय, जब मैं हिमालयन फॉर्मेशन समझाऊंगा, ग्रेटर हिमालय के सेंटर में क्या है? ग्रेनाइटिक रॉक, ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा इज वेरी हार्ड. तो क्या दिस ग्रेटर हिमालय ऐसे हो सकता है? नहीं. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ग्रेटर हिमालय कैन नॉट बी लाइक दिस. इसका मतलब कि जब दो प्लेट्स आपस में टकरा रहे थे तो इन दोनों के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा फोर्स किसने फील्ड किया? मिडिल हिमालय. ये फील्ड कर रहा है लेकिन कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. इसने फील किया, कौन सॉफ्टर था, ऐसे ऐसे हो गया. Is it clear? And this one I said that it has faced asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal, then recumbent and nappe. Understood? Clear? And greater Himalaya कैसा होगा? Only asymmetric. कैसा होगा? Somewhere symmetric, somewhere asymmetric. So greater Himalaya, next point, greater Himalaya will be only which type? Symmetric and asymmetric type of fold. Symmetric and asymmetric type of fold. Is it okay? Clear? Yes? So Which are the fold I said? Open fold and which fold? Closed fold. What is the meaning of open fold? This is the two limbs of mountain. This is the two limbs of the fold mountain. But in the valley region or synclinal region, these two limbs, what is the angle? Theta कितना दिख रहा है? More than 90. More than 90, but less than 180. This is known as open fold. When in the valley angle between the limbs is less than 90, it is closed fold. Very simple. 90 से ज़्यादा हो, more than 90 and less than, अरे 180 हो जाएगा तो वो तो simply plain बन जाएगा. Yeah. So I said, open folds are what? Angle between the two limbs in the valley, angle between the two limbs in the valley, angle between the two limbs in the valley is more than 90 degree. Angle between the two limbs in valley is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, known as open fold. Next it is closed fold. Yes. Which fold? When the angle between the two limbs in the valley, angle between the two limbs in the valley is less than 90 degree. Clear? If this is a rock, ऐसा rock नजर आ रहा है, simply this kind of rock, and you can't see this side. And this is a softer rock, and this is a harder rock, and this is a what? Now tell me, ये भी fold है. This is a kind of fold, but you can't see, but in a large area. तो ये बताओ, which can erode easily, harder rock or softer rock? Softer rock टूट कर ऐसा हो जाएगा. So क्या दिख रहा है? One limb is inclined and other limb is not inclined. Yes or not? So which kind of fold? Monoclinal fold. Which kind of fold I said that? When only one limb is inclined and other limb is what? Horizontal. It is known as. So किस केस में होगा? किस केस में you will find? तो सपोज करो यहां से ये कैसे उठा हुआ है, तो इस फोल्ड को मैं क्या कहूंगा? दिस फोल्ड को मैं क्या कहूंगा? दिस इज हार्डर एंड दिस इज वन. सो दिस फोल्ड इज नोन एज मोनोक्लिनल फोल्ड. अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि ये तो अनदर फोल्ड बन गया. सो दिस फोल्ड को क्या मैं कहूंगा? यस टेल मी. क्लियर? So we have seen 13 types of fold. First syncline, second anticline, third anticlinorium, fourth synclinorium. That is clear, this four. And after that we have done symmetric, asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal, recumbent, nappe. 6, total 10. Open fold, close fold, monoclinal. याद होगा? Understood what is all this? Yes. So endogenetic force. Which are the two forces? Compression and now. मेरा आवाज बैठ रहा. My sound box. I said endogenetic force is of two types. अब आप रियल पिक्चर देखने जा रहे हो. The harder part you have done and the simple part you are going to see. And it is known as diastrophic, and I said it is what? Catastrophic. So diastrophic force and catastrophic force. Clear? पहले ध्यान से देखिए. First see it clearly. Which are the diastrophic? Catastrophic. आपने have you seen the formation of mountain उठते हुए देखा है? हाँ? Your father has seen, your forefather has seen. Anybody can see. So it's a slow force or fast force? Slow force. In the world, how many brave people and how many coward people? Who is more? Who is more? Tell me. Brave or coward? Coward people must be more. Brave people are very less. Yes. आप भी जानते होंगे. Brave people, good people or bad people? Simply good people and bad people. Coward portion die every day. Yes or not? Yes. They die slowly in the life, but brave people die suddenly in the life. Yes or not? बोलते हैं आज ही मैं मरना. आज गए and then पाकिस्तान miss brave. इसीलिए तो उनको some gallantry awards and so many awards that they are getting. Yes, bravery award दिया जाता है. I said that लोग ज्यादातर लोग जो डाई कर रहे हैं स्लोली कर रहे हैं, ये याद कराने के लिए मैं करा रहा था. It is a slow force. Diastrophic force is a fold mountain बनते हुए देखा है लाइफ में. जो अभी मैंने सिखाया वो कौन सा फोर्स है? Diastrophic slow force जो मैं करा चुका हूँ. Fault, reverse fault, thrust fault होते हुए देखा है? Nobody. It's in a very slowly it is happening. Understood it? So slow force. Catastrophic. Brave अपने आप को बोलता काट दो अभी. Catastrophic force is sudden force. Catastrophic force is sudden force. And then sudden force. Listen me carefully. Sudden force. Which are the sudden force? Earthquake is a sudden force or slow force? Sudden force. Volcanic eruption. मैं बोल कर आता मैं आने वाला हूँ. हाँ? 100 years के बाद आऊंगा. It is a volcanic eruption, volcano. Tsunami is a sudden one or slow? Sudden. So it is a catastrophic force. ये तीनों टॉपिक आपको करना है. प्लेट मूवमेंट से ऐसे उठा और यहाँ से कुछ गिरता है, वो बोल कर गिरता है, लैंडस्लाइड इज हैपनिंग या सडनली इट हैपेंस. सो लैंडस्लाइड इज सडन. अच्छा, मैं अपना घर थोड़ा सा गाड़ी के ऊपर नहीं गिरे. सो मेनी थिंग्स इन द उत्तराखंड, इन द हिमालयन रीजन, अभी भी आप देखोगे so many landslides used to take place in the Himalayas, and then so many people are dying because of this. And अभी बहुत सारे लैंडस्लाइड होने वाला है ड्यू टू हैवी रेनफॉल. आई विल टीच यू दिस. लैंडस्लाइड इज अ टॉपिक. लैंडस्लाइड, it is a sudden force. So which, and from the upper, due to dismantling, sometimes glaciers started moving fast. It is an avalanche. It is in a what? sudden force. These 4 topics we have to do separately. It will take one day, half day. जब मैं पहले 2 घंटा पढ़ाता था, अब 2.5 हो गया, तो it will take faster. According to earlier I am telling you, and landslide half day means it will both these 2 will cover in a day. So these topics will have to be covered. Understood? And these are the sudden force. Which are the catastrophic forces? Tell me. Earthquake, volcano, landslide, tsunami, avalanche. सभी लोग बोला करेंगे yes. Is it okay? Shall I remove this? And this is catastrophic force. ये किसकी वजह से हो रहा था? Earthquake किसकी वजह से होता है? Plate movement? Yes or not? Divergence, convergence, वहीं पे तो earthquake आता है. तो another I said that diastrophic force are 2 types. ये भी हम लोग कर चुके हैं, केवल आपको केवल जानकारी होना चाहिए. Epirogenic force, and one I said that orogenic force. Which are the 2? Diastrophic force. Epirogenic, horizontal word किससे मैच कर रहा है? Horizontal word is matching with the orogenic, tensional and compressional. Orogenic force is what? Tensional and compressional force. So tensional force, and another I said that compressional force. Tensional force, what happened? Fracture, crack, fault. And which fault? Normal fault. Remember that we have done yesterday? So much explanation we have given for this. In compressional force, we have done this. Which are the 2? Fault and fold. In the fault, we have seen fracture, crack, fault. And then fault are reverse fault, thrust fault, over thrust fault. Is it okay? And in the fold, we have seen which are the fold? Anticlinal, synclinal, anticlinorium, synclinorium, symmetric, asymmetric, overturned, isoclinal, recumbent, napping, and we have seen open fold, we have seen closed fold, and monoclinal fold. सबसे मेजर सेक्शन यही था. Yes. So it is in a tensional force, compressional force, orogenetic. Understood? So horizontal can be, these are the horizontal force, na? Convergence is an horizontal force. Tensional force is an horizontal. Yes. If I talk about किसके साथ परपेंडिकुलर मैच कर रहा है? P से परपेंडिकुलर. In the ocean. In the ocean, perpendicular किसको कहेंगे? Yes, tell me. Something is moving upward and something is moving downward. So in the ocean something is upward. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Emergence कर चुके हैं? Yes or no? In the ocean something is moving upward, it is known as, and something is moving downward. Very good. Understood? In continent something is moving upward, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? That is known as upliftment. Himalaya is uplifting or emerging? अपलिफ्टिंग, एंड डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट को क्या कहेंगे? सबसिडेंस. व्हाट इट इज? यस. सो ड्यूरिंग द ओशियन में आपने देख चुके हो इमर्जेंट टाइप ऑफ कोस्ट एंड सबमर्जेंट टाइप ऑफ कोस्ट. हैव यू सीन दैट और नॉट? एंड आप हिमालयन फॉर्मेशन के समय में देखेंगे देयर इज एन अपलिफ्टमेंट एंड देयर इज एन सबसिडेंस. इज इट क्लियर? यस. एंड दिस फोर्सेस आर नोन एज अपलिफ्टमेंट. किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? प्लेट टेक्टोनिक इस मूवमेंट की वजह से हुआ होगा ना. हिमालयन फॉर्मेशन, फोल्ड माउंटेन अभी दिखाया मैंने. यस, कंप्रेशनल फोर्स इसका एंडोजेनेटिक फोर्स है. एंड आपने कल देखा समवेयर देयर इज एन इमर्जेंस इज टेकिंग प्लेस एंड समवेयर सबमर्जेंस. कौन कर रहा था? मैग्मा's इंटरनल फोर्स. हैव यू सीन दैट और नॉट? Fault has been taken place due to the plate movement, submergence, and then Malabar coast is an emergent. Who has done this? Intrusive granitic magmatic eruption. और plate movement की वजह से ही eastern coast is deposition, emergence. Understood it? Clear? Short revision दूं? खत्म हो गया. I said that अभी एक और पार्ट है लेकिन वो भी आप कर चुके हैं. आई सेड दैट जियोमॉर्फिक फोर्स. चलो मैं समझा ही देता हूं. शॉर्ट में मैं बस समझाऊंगा. वनली शॉर्ट. यू हैव डन ऑल दिस. जियोमॉर्फिक force are of two types. One, it is endogenic or endogenetic, जो भी कह लें आप. Another, we have deal first class exogenic or exogenetic. Yes, you remember? And this is weathering, static force, erosion, dynamic force. Weathering, physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Erosion done by river, glacier, wind and oceanic wave. This is the exogenetic force. It is endogenetic force. It is, I said that diastrophic, and I said that, yes, and in the catastrophic what we have done? Earthquake, volcano, landslide, avalanche, tsunami. Understood? In diastrophic force, there are two: apirogenic, orogenic. Apirogenic, perpendicular force, upward and downward. In the ocean, emergence, submergence. In the continent, upliftment, subsidence. Orogenic, mountain building force. Orogenic, or word का मतलब mountain. It is in a horizontal force, and in this horizontal force, tensional and compressional. Tensional force, fracture, crack, and fault means normal fault. याद है ना? Hanging valley goes down, that is the Rift Valley Graben, and upward it is what? Horst mountain or block mountain. Then after we have seen tensional compressional force causing fold and fault. Fault में I said fracture, crack. ये बार बार क्यों बोलता हूँ? So that you can remember. First takes place fracture, crack, and then fault. Reverse fault, thrust fault, over thrust fault. Understood? In the fold, synclinal, anticlinal, anticlinorium, synclinorium, symmetric, asymmetric, overturn, isoclinal, recumbent, napping, open fold, closed fold monoclinic. Understood it? Finished? क्या? और इसको कौन फोर्स कहा जाता है? अब ध्यान से समझेंगे. जियो मीन्स अर्थ, मॉर्फिक मीन्स शेप, एंड फोर्स मीन्स फोर्स. इसका डेफिनेशन मैं उल्टा पढ़ा रहा हूं जिससे कि आपको समझ में आ जाए कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है. नहीं तो मैं जियोमॉर्फिक फोर्स तो आप क्या देखेंगे, द फोर्स इज माउंटेन इज ए शेप और नॉट. वेस्टर्न घाट फोल्ड ब्लॉक माउंटेन इज ए शेप और नॉट. यस और नॉट. fault is a shape or not. So these are the same shape or different shape. Different shape. Yes or not. I said that, listen me carefully, forces which is responsible for the giving different type of shape. Shape means landform. Can I say? Forces which is responsible for giving different types of landform on the simple definition. And there are two types of force, endogenic and yes, endogenic force, it is an internal energy which is responsible for giving different kind of landforms on the earth's surface. Yes. Which are the landform? Mountain, plateaus, fault, so many things. Plateau is an uplifted or subsident? Uplifted. कल देखा Deccan plateau is uplifting or not? Yes or not? It is an upliftment. Getting my point? So I said that plateau, mountains, everything is in a kind of, I said that, endogenic force. कभी आपने, so ध्यान से, first order landform, second order landform, third order landform. वर्ल्ड में क्या है? ओशियन, and what is there? These are known as first order landform. These are known as mountains, plateaus, plains, different feature. These are second order landform. Who has created second order landform? Tell me first. Endogenetic forces. किसने किया? So लिख दो यहां पे, who has done this? जितनी भी आप जितने भी फीचर्स देखोगे जो अभी आपने पढ़ा, all these are which? Second order landform. Understood? Yes? Yes? Tell me, what is this? Plateau. What is this? And इस plateau में river started moving, you will make a V-shaped valley. Yes or not? Plateau is in a second order landform. Ocean continent first. Plateau, mountains and all these plains are what? First order land, second order. इसको modify कौन कर रहा है? रिवर. और यहां से ग्लेशियर मूव करके भी तोड़ देगा, कुछ और बना देगा, लेक्स एंड ऑल. सपोज आई सेड दैट दिस इज इन अ रॉक और यहां पे सॉफ्ट रॉक है. दिस इज हार्ड, दिस इज सॉफ्ट. एंड व्हाट इज ग्लेशियर? रिवर ऑफ आइस. एंड व्हेन द रिवर ऑफ आइस ऐसे मूव करेगा तो किसको तोड़ेगा? हार्ड को. जो इट विल बी इरोड हार्डर रॉक मोर और सॉफ्टर रॉक. सॉफ्टर रॉक को तोड़ देगा. एंड व्हेन द ग्लेशियर विल मेल्ट, यहां पे लेक्स बन जाएगा. Yes or not? So what is this? On the plateau or mountain में हमें क्या मिला? Third order of landform. And who is giving us? Exogenetic, glacier, Suppose I said this is a mountain, और कभी आप डेजर्ट, कभी आपने विंड, फास्ट विंड फेस किया है? मस्ट हैव फेस्ड फास्ट विंड. फास्ट विंड कम्स विद द पार्टिकल्स एंड दैट स्ट्राइक योर बॉडी, चोट लगता है. हैव यू सीन दैट? दिस इज नॉन एज अब्रेजन, बाद में पढ़ेंगे. एंड व्हेन द फास्ट विंड मूव्स, तो फास्ट विंड बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर जाता है, नीचे रहता है? मैक्सिमम इट विल बी बिलो. सो व्हेन द फास्ट विंड मूव, मैं विंड बता रहा हूं, व्हेन द फास्ट विंड विल मूव, सो द लोअर रॉक विल स्टार्टेड इरोडिंग, पार्टिकल्स टकरा टकरा के. And in the desert, what will get? Mushroom rock. A plateau or something will convert into different landforms. So who is causing? If the coast is like this and then oceanic waves come, then it will started eroding. Suppose it is in a hard rock and this is in a soft rock. It is in a coast. Understood? Hard, and this is soft. When the oceanic wave comes, किसको erode करेगा ज्यादा? Softer. ये और harder rock को कम करेगा and softer rock more. This kind of feature will form. Who is causing? किसको कर रहा है? Second order landforms. Understood it? Is it okay? और ये आपने देखा था रॉक को तोड़कर सॉइल बनाना, उसने भी हटा दिया ना, प्लेट्यू को तोड़ दिया. वेदरिंग, फिजिकल वेदरिंग, केमिकल वेदरिंग एंड बायोलॉजिकल. सो दीज आर गिविंग थर्ड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म एंड इट इज मॉडिफाइंग द सेकेंड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म. सो वी शेप वैली, यू शेप वैली, लेक्स, ये क्या है? थर्ड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म. रिवर meandering in the plain area, it is an what? थर्ड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म. सो जो भी फर्स्ट सेकेंड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म पे रिवर, ग्लेशियर, विंड एंड ओशियानिक वेव कर कर बनाएंगे लैंडफॉर्म, दिस इज नोन एज थर्ड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म. सो दिस इज द ओशियन कॉन्टिनेंट इज फर्स्ट, माउंटेन स्प्रेड टू प्लेन, एंड देन आई सेड दैट एक्सोजेनेटिक फोर्स मॉडिफाई second order landform and gives third order landform. Yes, V-shaped valley, river meandering, oxbow lake, different kind of so many things आप देखेंगे आने वाले समय में. तो वो कौन सा फॉर्म होगा? लैंडफॉर्म, थर्ड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म. यस, क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी हैव सीन, यस, एक्सोजेनेटिक फोर्स किसी भी लैंडफॉर्म को छोटा कर देता है तोड़कर, और एंडोजेनेटिक फोर्स बढ़ाता है. सो एंडोजेनेटिक फोर्स कुछ फीचर देता है, एक्सोजेनेटिक फोर्स इस फीचर को मॉडिफाई करता है. अंडरस्टूड इट? और लोअर इट डाउन. अंडरस्टूड? इरोड का मतलब भी होता है लोअर इट डाउन. समझ में आ गया? पता नहीं यूपीएससी यही पूछ दे, सिंपल सा है. डिस्कस द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ऑर्डर. तो आप लोग बोलोगे कि जब मैं ओशनोग्राफी पढ़ाता हूँ उस समय में कॉन्टिनेंट एंड ओशन कैसे बना, दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू टीच. और आपने अभी आपने देखा कैसे क्या बन रहा है. एंड वेल, हिमालयन फॉर्म में अभी फोल्ड माउंटेन बनते हुए देखा आपने. दिस इज इन अ सेकेंड ऑर्डर लैंडफॉर्म एंड दिस इज दिस. तो इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे आप, और एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आपके पास प्लेट्यू, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू को कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे? बहुत बड़ा, कहीं भी कोई चीज, प्लेट्यू का मतलब होता है टेबल लैंड स्ट्रक्चर विद स्टीपर स्लोप. सराउंडिंग स्लोप इज व्हाट? टेबल तो इसी को बोला जाता है ना. विद सराउंडिंग रीजन इज स्टीपर स्लोप्स with flat top. That is in a table land structure. Minimum height is around 300 meter. Understood? So 300, 400, 500. बुंदेलखंड प्लेट्यू in MP and UP कितनी हाइट है? 450 मीटर. ज़्यादा हाइट नहीं है. मालवा प्लेट्यू 400 to 500 मीटर हाइट. डेक्कन प्लेट्यू कल बताया आपको 1500 to 2000 मीटर, लेकिन over the period river has eroded it, हाइट कम हो गई. अंडरस्टूड इट? समझ में आ गया है क्या है? सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड विद एक्चुअल में जियोमॉर्फिक फोर्स. क्लियर? डिफरेंट फोर्सेस रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फेस. अब यहां से आपकी ज्योग्राफी बहुत आसान हो जाती है. दिस इज द ज्योग्राफी द स्टूडेंट डजंट अंडरस्टैंड. अगला टॉपिक आपका स्टार्ट होगा कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट. विच वन आई सेड दैट? और वे हम लोग कल करेंगे क्योंकि मेरी वॉइस भी क्या हो रही है, और आज स्टार्ट करूंगा तो ख़त्म भी नहीं होगा. इट विल टेक अ डे.